In today's video, we're going to have a look at some different nature activities that you can do at home. If you do some of the activities, it'd be great if you could send in some photos or videos and then we can have a look in class. Stay safe everyone, and we'll see you all very soon. Let's go for a walk and see what we can find. Take a minute to stop and take in the nature and the world around you. Have a look for anything that is the same as before, or maybe some things are different. Have the flowers grown? Are the leaves coming off the trees? Have a look around and really take in what you see. We had a look at our school grounds and had a look for anything that was different to before. Can you see anything that looks different? Next, we had a go at taking some tree rubbings. You can use a pencil or crayon or chalk. It's a lovely activity to see different patterns in our environment. Next, we had a go at taking some photographs of nature. We picked different spots and took a photo. We then zoomed in so we could really see nature in detail. Have a go at doing this at home. You'll be amazed at the detail that you can see when you really pay attention to what is around you. Here are some of the brilliant nature collages that the pupils made using their iPads. If you make a collage at home, why not send it in to us in class? We'd love to see your nature photos from home. How to make a nature collage. Another nature activity could be to collect some natural materials. We collected some from the school grounds, some leaves and sticks and feathers, and we took them inside where we made some fantastic pieces of artwork. Here are some of the masterpieces that the pupils made in class. We had some forests, we had a couple of football pitches, and we had some more trees. If you make a nature picture, we'd love to see it in class. Please send photos in so we can have a look. Thanks for watching. Stay safe everyone.